how versus 1. How to say finished quickly in Chinese. Comparing how and 1 both mean finished, but they are not the same. In Chinese, both how and 1 are used to talk about completion, but they are different in meaning and emotion. Today, I'll explain it in a very easy way. 1 is completion of an action. About the meaning, it only means that an action is finished. It doesn't show the speaker's feelings. About the characteristics, it's neutral, and it focuses only on whether something is done or not. Let's see examples. 我吃完饭了. I finished eating. We only know the meal is finished, not whether it was good or not. 作业写完了. The homework is finished. So in conclude, 1 is mean like it just finished the task. The second word we have, how. Finished and satisfied. About the meaning, it not only finished but also good, satisfactory and ready. Regardless characteristics, it has a positive feeling and the speaker is satisfied with the result. Let's see examples. 我吃好了. I finished eating and it was good. 饭还没做好. The meal is not ready yet or not done well yet. 东西准备好了. Everything is prepared and ready. So, how, it means like something is finished and is good and is satisfying. So, 1 only means finished. How means finished and good. Example. 我作业写完了. The homework is finished, maybe done quickly or carelessly. And 我作业写好了. The homework is finished and done well. So remember, 1 means finished. How means finished and satisfying. If you understand this, your Chinese will sound much more natural.